Hello, my name is Maruf. I am currently studying for a BSc in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. I complete my HSC from Kadirabad Cantonment Sapar College with GPA of 5 out of 5, and I complete my SSC from Bilshulungi Alakdiyar High School with GPA 5 out of 5. I am originally from Pabna. Alongside my academic studies, I participate in curricular activities and focus on developing my skills. I also have experience with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, C++, Java. I can speak Bangla, English, and Hindi. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies, reading newspaper, and keeping up with current news. I have complete project management and library management project with my team. My strong passion are sports such as cricket, football, and badminton. Thanks for my video resume.